Hello, everybody. This is English for Ethiopia grade 9. How are you, students? ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች? ይህ የዘጠነኛ ክፍል የእንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ነው። እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች? Students, so far we discussed in the previous video, that is video 2, we discussed about some pointers, that is the grammar, tenses, and tag questions. To say something about some pointers on the previous video, let me show you some questions. So far, for example, here we discussed about tag question and present continuous tense plus the simple present tense. Do you remember present continuous tense show us what's happening right now or what is going on right now? For example, I'm learning right now, or maybe I'm learning, I'm writing. That is the present continuous tense. And when you talk about the present tense, you can talk about habitual action, something happens always, or written action, and a fact or general truth. For example, I told you one example, if you remember, the sun rises in the east and the sunset is west. So this my point is maybe to remind you using questions on page, let me show you on page you can see here on page 20, the first one. You can fill or the gap using the present tense or maybe present continuous tense. For example, you can take, start, leave, go, do, depart, get, and come. It says select the appropriate word from the given list and complete the sentences using present continuous tense used to express future action. What does mean, students? Let me show you some questions here. The question says, complete the sentence using present continuous tense, but it needs both present tense and simple present tense. Let me show you the first one. Have you heard Brad and Mimi? It says, Brad and Mimi, what happened? And A, they dash married on Saturday. On Saturday, it indicated the future. So the right answer is they are getting married. This is the right answer, getting married. For example, getting married. This is the right answer for you, getting married. I told you when you talk about future planned action, you can use present continuous tense in addition to explain what is happening right now. And question number 2, that is, I'm talking about the dialogue actually. There is no number, but this is the first one. So, you are joking. I didn't know that Mimi fancied Brad when dash the wedding dash place, it says. From the joy, you can say do, you can select do, but when dash the wedding, I'm talking about the wedding, so it is simple present tense way. You can say when dash the wedding dash place. The right choice here is maybe take, the first one, take. So takes place, that is simple present tense. Question number 3, when you talk about the third dialogue, of course, it does place on Saturday. Didn't you listen to me? So you may repeat the word. So it takes place. It takes place. You know, when you talk about planned action, when there is scheduled action, you can use simple present tense. When it takes place on Saturday, didn't you listen to me? This is the right answer. So you can complete in this way. Maybe you can talk about present continuous tense and simple present tense to talk about the future. But the main purpose of the present tense is present continuous tense is to explain what is happening right now in the simple present tense. Habitual action or routine action in addition to factors. Another revision part for you is on maybe 1.13 on page 13 of your textbook. Let me show you. 1.3. Here is, I told you something about tag questions. I think tag questions, I'm sorry, tag questions, you know, they, when you take emphasis, when you ask questions to clarify or maybe to make sure, to be certain of something, you can use tag questions. I think I told you about tag questions. So would you like to come with us? First, I told you the steps. So would you like to come with us? So would is the auxiliary verb. If there is auxiliary verb, take the auxiliary. That is the right question. So wouldn't you? That is the right answer for question number 1. Maybe the club members played well. I'm talking about the club members. No, here is the club members played well. There's action verb, not auxiliary verb. So you can take the action using do or does. I told you when there's the present tense or maybe past tense and action verb, you can use do, does for present tense and did for simple past tense, right? So the club members played well. There is no here auxiliary verb. So the club members, it says the club members, it is you can say plural, yeah, you can represent by they. So played, simple past. So didn't they, that's the tag question. Didn't they, you can use here didn't they. That's the right answer. Okay. Our father will not be with us next week. This is the right answer. So will not, this negative. If it is negative, you can use positive tag. Okay, it's just opposite. So will he? This is the right answer. They were not part of the regular team. So were they? You can make this one. You can take the auxiliary here. So you can revise in this way, students. Today we'll see question types. So you can see here unit 1 video 3 question types. Now what is question? Let me tell you in detail. So far we discussed I think question tag in the previous video, but that is video 2. Next question type is, so you can take into consideration there are 3 kind of question actually. You can you see practically. The first one is tag question or question tag. Question tag, that is the first one we discussed so far. Sorry. And next one is WH questions. WH questions. That is our emphasis for today. So WH questions are formed by using who, what, where, when, which, and how. We can call them WH because the first, except how, the first 2 spelling letters, they became WH. For example, take what, the first one, what. Here is WH, yeah, the first 2 consecutive letters, WH. That's why we call them WH questions. So what's the purpose? Example, purpose. You can say, what is your favorite book? So let me show you the purpose. What? Maybe process. The process. And to ask what is situation of something. Situation. You can up here. So situation. Information. General information. So what is your favorite book means it seeks your your favorite matter here. It is all about information here. So, what is your favorite book? My favorite book is Fiqh Macabre. That is the right answer. Okay. B. The next one. Where do you live? Where? What is the purpose of where? Location of something. Location. Okay. That is the purpose of where. Where do you live? Your location. Okay. Where is your location? That is the purpose of where. And the next one is which. For example, which indicates choice. C. Which choice? Don't forget choice of something. Which one do you like more? Living in the urban areas or rural areas? I like to live urban areas. So which one is your choice? To live in the countryside or maybe urban areas or city? That's a choice, yes. Next one is why do you like to live in rural areas? D. Why? Reason of something. Reason. Okay. Reason. So the first one is you are asked your choice, and the second one is you are asked using why, and you can explain the reason. So why do you like to live in rural areas? If you say rural, I like to live in a rural area because. So mainly you can use because to clarify your reason. Okay, because this is a justification for you. And the next one is what advantages do you get living in urban areas? In urban areas, I can get access to read books in libraries. So these are top questions to students. In addition to this, you can use whose, for example. It is not mentioned here actually, but for your knowledge, whose possession. Okay, possession. Example, whose book is this? Whose book is this? This possession. Owner. whose የምንለው ባለ ንብረትነትን ወይም ባለቤትነትን የሚያሳይ ነው። ኦኬ ዋይ ስንጠይቅ ሪዝን ለምን ተብለን ስንጠይቅ ምክንያቱም ብለን ነው ለምናወራው ሰው you can use this kind of justification which ለቾይስ ነው where location የአንድን ነገር መገኛ ቦታውን ለመጠየቅ where እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። whose book is this is mine, this is yours አይደለ it's mine ብላችሁ ነው የምትመልሱት። እነዚህን እንግዲህ በደንብ ማየት ይኖርባቸዋል። how maybe ቅድም ፕሮሰስ ያልኳችሁ ምን ሊኖረው ይችላል how በሚልም ልትመልሱ ትችላላችሁ። for example how do you make coffee the process actually first I buy the coffee beans, then wash it, then roast እናደርጋለን ቡና especially ladies I think you are familiar with coffee actually it is not important to say lady and boy to do this kind of situation in this modern world, but as an Ethiopian women are skilled enough to to make coffee. That is why I ask you. So how to make coffee? The first one is the first you can buy the coffee beans, then you can wash it, then you can roast, pound something. ቡና ይገዛል ከዛ ይታጠባል እንዲህ ያላችሁ ብትመልሱ it's all about the process. And another one is maybe here sorry another one is when you use how, you can ask for example how old are you, age, how old are you? It's not process actually. How old are you? This is the question. Next one is answer the following questions. How, this is actually this question is given to you to know how double H word is constructed? The answer may be different. መልሱ እዚህ ጋር የተጠየቃችሁ ጥያቄ በእነዚህ ዳብል ኤች ኮስችንስ ዳብል ኤች ወርድስ በእነሱ እንዴት እንደሚሰራ እንጂ መልሱ የተለያየ ነው የሚሆነው። what does your mother do in the kitchen? in the kitchen ለምሳሌ እያንዳንዳችሁ የምትጠይቁ የተለያየ መልስ ነው። እናታችሁ ክችን ውስጥ ምን ለምትሰራው ብትባሉ ሁላችሁም ይለያያል። it's different but what does your mother do in the kitchen? what does ምንድን ነው? how to what does ነው የምለው how does አንልም። so ምን እንደምሰራ ለመጠየቅ ነው። ምን የሚል መልስ ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ይኖረዋል። ስለዚህ እንዲህ ነው ብለን የሚደረገውን ነገር ልንናገር እንችላለን ማለት ነው። what does your mother do in the kitchen means you can say for example bakes bread. she's baking bread. currently ከሆነ or naturally always የምሰራውን ደግሞ ከተጠየቃቸው bakes bread yeah makes coffee whatever you can what is your favorite sport? for example for me running. my favorite sport is running. የእናንተ favorite sport ምንድን ነው? maybe league that is maybe football ሊሆን ይችላል። different. how many players are there in a football team? ያችሁ how with many ከሆነ ደግሞ ብዛትን quantity ይሄንን ልግለጽላችሁ። how many okay you can use how many quantity in number Viga, how many players are there in the football team? If you say 12, for example, 12. Okay, how many? Quantity in number. How much ከሆነ በዚህ how much is not number. በቁጥር የማይገለጽ ነገር ከሆነ ደግሞ ምን እንላለን ማለት ነው? how much. Okay? ይሄኛው በቁጥር ነው። how much ከሆነ ግን ይሄ uncountable ነው ስለማይቆጠሩ ነገሮች how much እንጠቀማለን። ይሄንን በዛው እያያችሁ እንድትሄዱ ነው። with the president of the region you are living in. who is the president ማን ነው? ሪጅናችሁ በምትኖሩበት ኤሪያ ወይም በእኛ እንደ ኢትዮጵያን ክልል የክልሉ ፕሬዚደንት ማን ነው? for example with the president of your region 1 region 2 region 3 እያለ ብንሄድ ማን ነው ፕሬዚደንቱ? you can answer it so Mr. Muhammad Mr. somebody ማለት ትችላላችሁ። okay why do people like to live in urban areas? ለምንድን ነው urban areas ሰው የሚኖረው? why if you say why I told you so far so why cause because ብለን ነው አይደለም እንገልጸው። እንደ አይነት ነገሮች ካሉ መመለስ አለባቸው ማለት ነው። why because ብላችሁ ነው because in urban areas there is more employment opportunities. employment ብዙ የስራ እድል ስላለ ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። why do people like to live in rural areas? to get fresh air. ብዙ ነገር ማለት ትችላላችሁ fresh air ለማግኘት ወይም to plow to get more product cash crops ሊሆን ይችላል። እርሻ ለማለት ሊሆን ይችላል። የተለያየ ምክንያት ሊኖር ይችላል። which subject do you like most? የትኛውን subject ነው more የምትወዱት? this is a question for you. So I like mathematics, English, or whatever. That's the right answer. Okay, well students, next the said question type is maybe you can say B actually for now. yes no questions. yes no questions. እነዚህ yes no questions ምንድን ነው ፐርፐታቸው ብላችሁ ከጠየቃችሁት yes no question are formed by using the do verbs do, does, did, have verbs have, has, had, and modal verbs can, could. okay well yes no. the first one is do verbs. They are number one do, does, did, Good job. Number 2, have verbs. Have. Okay, have verbs. Has, have, and had. Number 3, kind of question, I think, modals, yeah? Modal verbs. Modal verbs like can, could, should, may, another is must. Okay, ought to, might የመሳሰሉት ናቸው ማለት ነው። So one of the differences, students, for example, if there is third person singular now, does she, he, it ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ። he ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ። does she, does he, does something. When there is third person singular noun, you can use does. Do the plural. For example, they. Okay, this is the constructive ideas for you. Did, simple past. The past form of do and does, simple past. Action simple past ከሆነ did ልትጠቀሙ። They played the football. Did they? Yeah, did they? That's the question, yeah. So past tense. And has and have the same thing. Has, third person. He, she, it. For example, she has cleaned the floor ካላችሁ yeah, has she ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። third person singular ከሆነ ነው። have ከሆነ plural ነው። okay, we, they, had, simple past. እነዚህ ሞዳል ቨርቦች ደግሞ ምን ትጠቀማላችሁ? ሞዳል ቨርቦችን ራሳቸውን ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። ሲንጉላር ፕሉራል ላይኖራቸው ይችላል፣ አይኖራቸውም። እነሱ ነው የምትጠቀሙት። ዶ ወይ ኦኬ this is how to construct yes no questions. Yes no questions, you can answer either yes if it is positive or no if it is negative. Understand? So you can construct in this way. Number 1, do you like animals? Yes, I do. See, do you like animals? Yes, I do. See, do, it started, the question starts with do, so you can say yes I do, or no I don't. Fully እንደዚህ ነው ማለት ያለባችሁ yes no question ላይ okay. Number 2, can you bring me your marker tomorrow? Yes I can. question የጀመረበትን ነው የምታዩት okay. So yes I can, or no I cannot, or no I can't. That's the right answer, okay? Is there a book on your table? Yeah, there is, or no, there isn't. Is there? So the beginning of, but actually a positive sentence kahone. You can, to change the question, you can bring the auxiliary, maybe the modal verb, maybe action at the beginning. For example, she loves playing football ብትባሉ does she love ነው የምንለው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ I can swim ከተባለ I can swim, or he can swim, can he swim? You can take the modal verb at the beginning. Okay, don't forget. Next one is let me show you the question. Do you like your English lesson? How do you answer this one? You can answer in this way. You can answer yes. Kalach, yes. Do you? Yes, I like. Yeah. You like. Or no. Do you select? No, I don't like. ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። Do you have a garden? No. Yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. Are there big buildings in the urban areas? Yes, there are. Or no, there aren't. የስ ካላችሁ በኋላ ሞዳል ቨርቡን ኔጌቲቭ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ፣ ኦር ሞዳል ቨርቡን ብቻ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Is the number of schools in urban areas more than that in rural areas? Is the number of schools in urban ይህንን አሁን ምንድን ነው የምትሉት? Is the number of schools in urban areas more than those in rural areas? ይህንን ኩዌስችን ስታደርጉ አንሰር ስታደርጉ you can take the auxiliary at the beginning, yes. So the right answer for this one is yes, it is. አሁን ምንድን ነው የምንወስደው ማለት ነው? የመጀመሪያውን word እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። Yes, it is. Is the number of schools in urban areas more than that in? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So question number 5. Question number 5. It's better to read. Question number 5. Does a student in rural areas score equal to one who is in urban areas? Yes, he or she does. Because the first one is down there. Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't, or she doesn't. Have the teacher given you reading activity? Yes, he has. Or no, he hasn't. The last one, I think this is the last question. So must you can call him again. Must. Yes, I must. No, I mustn't. So this is how to do double H questions and yes no questions. አሁን እስካሁን yes no questions እና double H አየን ማለት ነው። Next, develop question using double H or auxiliary modal verb question. Beginners to the following answers to the partner. I'm learning how to primary school. How to, you can say, this is the place name. I'm learning in how to primary school. You can develop. Okay. If there is auxiliary, take the auxiliary. If it is modal, you can take the modal verb. እሱን በመውሰድ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? ጥያቄ መመስረት ትችላላችሁ ብያችኋለሁ. If you remember well. So I'm learning in how to primary school. በመጀመሪያ this is the answer for the question. እነዚህ ጥያቄዎችን ያቸው I'm learning ምን ተብላችሁ ብትጠየቁ ነው ይህንን መልስ የተመለሰው? Where do you learn? Or አሁን I'm learning ነው የሚለው. It is present continuous tense. So where are you learning? Understand? Where are you learning? ተብላችሁ ብትጠይቁ ነው አይደል የምትሉት። ይህንን ግን ወደ ጥያቄ ራሱን ሴንቴንሱን ቀይሩ ብትባሉ I'm learning in Hote Primary School. Am I learning in Hote Primary School? Question mark. Am I learning? You can take. But ይሄኛው እንትን ስለሆነ መልስ ስለሆነ የተመለሰው Yes, I like the English lesson is very much. Yes, I like the English lesson is very much. So do you like to learn English? እንደዚህ የመሳሰሉትን ጥያቄ ብትጠይቁ ነው ማለት yes I like. No. Yes I can you swim? ይሄኛው ደግሞ yes I can swim. ምን ተብላችሁ ብትጠይቁ ነው yes I can swim? Can you swim? አይደለ? መዋኘት ትችላላችሁ። እነዚህን ነው የመሳሰሉትን ብትጠይቁ ነው እንደዚህ አይነት መልስ። So I like to live in rural areas. So where do you like to live? የመሳሰሉትን ጥያቄዎች where do you like to live? So I like to live in rural areas ተብላችሁ ልትጠይቁ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሰው እነዚህን የመሳሰሉትን የመጨረሻውን ሌላችሁ yes she is a student ይላል። ለምሳሌ yes she is a student ምን ተብላችሁ ብትጠይቁ ነው? is she a student ከተባላችሁ is she a student? So yes she is a student. That's the right answer. Okay. እስኪ ወደ ቀጣዩ እንሂድ። ይሄ በጣም ሲምፕል ነው። እንደዚህ ያደርጋችሁ ጥያቄ መመለስ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Select the appropriate WH words from the list and fill in the blanks in column A and match the questions formed with their answers in column B. እነዚህ በጣም ወሳኝ ጥያቄ ናቸው ተማሪዎች። እዚህ ጋር ማችንግ አብረን እናያለን ማለት ነው። Does that boy? So look, it says, look at the instruction first. Select the appropriate WH word. ትክክለኛው WH word የትኛውን የምንጠቀመው ነው። ማችንጉን እዚህ ጋር በኮለም B and column A ተጠቅሶላቸዋል። That boy. Why that boy? Which that boy? Or who is that boy? የትኛው ነው ሊሆን የሚችለው? እሱን በትክክለኛው መንገድ ገስ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So to guess this, look at the answer. My football hurts. ምንድን ነው ሊሆን የሚችለው? So anyways ጊዜ ለመቆጠብ ያክል ምን ነው የምንጠቀመው? That is ፈለቀ my friend. So who is that boy ነው የሚሆነው አይደለ? Who is that boy? So the right answer is D. Who is that boy? Who? መጀመሪያ ትክክለኛውን WH word ተጠቀሙ። Then you can answer from column B. So the right answer is D. Good job. Number 2. Dash are Tesfu and Dilnesa. Okay? Which one is the right answer? First, add WH word to the question. The first one. መጀመሪያ WH word መጠቀም ይኖርባችኋል ማለት ነው። Good job. So this is, I think, they are in the Tabor, that is, she is in fine tanks on Monday. እነዚህን አንጠቀም አይደለ? she's fine tanks አንልም፣ ምክንያቱም artist and Dilnesa. So the right answer is where are, the first one, where artist and Dilnesa. Where, it's better to add where የሚለው ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ። So they are in the Tabor ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። or the Brabant or whatever in Addis. So this is a kind of question, where. Number 3, Dash, do you have English lessons? That is felt like because it is not, it is nice. So Dash, do you have English lessons? What do you have? It's not adult. Who is anilem? So when do you have? When ካለን ደግሞ ታይም ያለበትን መምረጥ ትችላላችሁ። on Monday and Friday. Good job. Next one is Dash is your mother. Dash is your mother. Mola. So how do you mother ነው የምንለው አይደለ? እንዴት ነው ከተባላችሁ አንድ ሰው ጥሩ ነው መልካም ነው ነው የምንለው። So she's fine, thanks. F. That is the right answer. Number 5, dash rooms are there in your house? So I told you how many ልንጠቀም እንችላለን። How many rooms are there in your house? So ቁጥር ያለበትን መምረጥ ትችላላችሁ። ከኤስኬ ኤች ተመልከቱት። There are 6 rooms. There are 6 rooms. Yeah. There are 6 rooms. አንዳንዴ ክሉ ሊሰጣችሁ ይችላል። dash rooms are there in your house? So እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ rooms ይላል ኤች ላይ። Okay, there are 6 rooms in your house. dash rooms. So አንዳንዴ ማች አድርጋችሁ መመለስ ትችላላችሁ። ኦኬ ሩም ተጠቅሷል እዚህ ሩም። ስለዚህ እዚህ በቁጥር ነው የተገለጸው። how many ቁጥር የሚጠይቀውን ነው የምናስገባው ማለት ነው። good job. So ጊዜ ለመቆጠብ ያክል number 6, what is your favorite hobby ነው የምንለው። So maybe dancing ልንል እንችላለን። number 7, dance your friends like guide ነው የሚሆነው። So why do your friends like guide? Why? Because የሚለውን ነገር እንመለሳለን ማለት ነው። Because it is nice and peaceful. And the last one, dash is the matter where dashes the matter work የሚሆነው what is the matter? What is the matter? ምን ተፈጠረ? My heart ዲጋ ምልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። ያው ምን ተፈጠረ ስንል አንድ ነገር የሆነውን እንገልጻለን። አክሽኑን ነው። ሶ what the matter ምንድነው ችግሩ ካልን my foot hurts, my heart hurts እንችላለን። so this is the right justification for you. Change the sentences into questions and yes no question about the underline words ነው የሚለው Lelisa and Trihas have got 2 children. Yes no question. ይህንን ወደ yes no question መመለስ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So Lelisa and Trihas have got 2 children. So do Lelisa and Trihas have children ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት በዱ መጠየቅ ትችላለን። Meseret is my favorite actress. So is Meseret your favorite actress? Yes, she is. Or for example, you can say Meseret is my bride. Yeah, yes she is, or no she is not. እንግዲህ እንዲህ ያደረጋችሁ መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስፒኪንግ ስኪልስ ኔክስት ስፒኪንግ ስኪል እናያለን ማለት ነው። students advantage and disadvantage of rural areas and that is the advantage of rural life and disadvantage of rural advantage and disadvantage. So what is the advantage of rural life or urban life? That is the question for you. You can justify using why you live in urban areas. Because this is, you can mention advantage of rural life. There is a lot of free space available in the rural area. Space ችግር የለም አይደለ? Disadvantage of rural life. Road networks are usually in poor condition. No asphalt. It is important. It is very difficult to move one place to another in winter time. For example, if you move within an hour in urban areas, maybe in the countryside, you may take 2 hours walk, okay? Because no nice road condition or no asphalt at all. The rural area or countryside offers a lot more land to live. ብዙ የተጣበበ ቦታ የለም እዛ። እዚህኛው ደግሞ is opposite. Yeah, so you can mention this is speaking. By the way, you can practice using your own justification. የራሳችሁን ለምሳሌ ከተማ ስትኖሩ ምን ጥቅም አገኛችሁ? If you are living in urban areas, if you are living in rural areas, what is the advantage? What is the advantage? ምንድን ነው ጥቅሙ? አንድ ሰው ለምንድን ነው ለምሳሌ እናንተ if you are living in Addis, why you prefer living in Addis? So you can mention, because this is አንድ ሁለት ሶስት አራት ብላችሁ ይሄ የመናገር ክህሎታችሁን ማዳበር ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Next, pronunciation. Pronunciation ይሄንን እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው። pronunciation especially rising intonation እስኪ ይችን እንመልከታት። rising intonation ጥያቄ ስትጠይቁ and falling, okay? falling intonation. For example, do you like reading? ጥያቄውን ሲጀምረው do you like reading? እዚህ ጋር do you like ይሄኛው ኢንቶኔሽናችን ምን ይሆናል? ስታነቡት ድምጻችሁ ማለት ነው። ጥያቄን ኢንቶኔሽን ማለት ምንድነው? ድምጹን ስታነቡት የመጀመሪያው ላይ ከፍ ይላል ማለት ነው። አጥኖ reading እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ምን ይሆናል? fall ያደርጋል። okay? Pronunciation, this especially it matters. Okay? Do you like reading? ብለን ስንልና do you like reading? It is different. Yes, it is different. እንደገና ደግሞ ፖላይት በትህትና ስትጠይቁ እባክህ ልትሰጠኝ ትችላለህ። አሁን በአማርኛ ስትጠይቁ ምንድነው የምትሉት? እባክህ ልትሰጠኝ ትችላለህ። ይሄ ልሰጠኝ ትችላለህ ብንል it is different, yeah. So writing intonation pattern would you be used mainly for yes and no questions and the question tag is ባለፈው question tag አይተናል. So is she a student? Isn't she? አይደለችም እንዴ? more clarification እንፈልጋለን አይደለ? ስለዚህ ተናጋሪው እንዲያረጋግጥላችሁ ትፈልጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። yes, to have certainty on something. okay, ለዛ ነው so it invited the speaker to continue speaking. ንግግሩን እንዲቀጥል ነው። yes no question that can be answered by yes or no. good. do you know your teacher's name? የመጀመሪያውን አዳመጣችሁት አይደል? do you know your teacher's name? teacher's name የሚለውን ነገር ለምሳሌ ከፍ ማድረግ ስትፈልጉ የመምህሩን ስም ነው የፈለጋችሁት። ስለዚህ ኢንቶኔሽናችሁ ምን ይሆናል? ሃይ ይሆናል። ይሄ ምልክት ማለት ምንድነው? ሎክ እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱት ተማሪዎች። ይሄ ምንድነው? ሃይ ኢንቶኔሽን ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። ከፍ ይላል ድምጻችሁ ማለት ነው። so writing intonation ነው። have you done the assignment? የቤት ስራውን ሰርታችኋል። የቤት ስራ ትኩረት የምታደርጉበት ነገር ከሆነ ሃይ ኢንቶኔሽን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so it depends ሩል የለውም በነገራችን ላይ ይሄ እንደፈለጋችሁት ነው። አጽንኦት የምትፈልጉት ነገር ላይ ነው ሃይ ኢንቶኔሽን የምትጠቀሙት እንጂ እንዲህ አይነት ህግ ነው ተብሎ ብዙ ጊዜ ጀስቲፋይ አይደረግም። ኢንፋክት ሰም ሩልስ ይኖራሉ። ለምሳሌ ፕሊዝ ስንል አንዳንድ ነገሮች ላይ ትንሽ ወረድ ማለት አለበት። እባክህን ብለን እንናገራለን አይደል? ሰው ብዙ ጊዜ የስ ነው የሚኖረው። have you done the assignment? yes I have. no I haven't ልንል እንችላለን ማለት ነው። do you have any question? do you have any question? it is different, yeah. question tags that show uncertainty or require an answer. we have agreed. haven't we? we have agreed. haven't we? ተስማምተናል አይደለም እንዴ? ያ more justification እንፈልጋለን። following intonation double H questions, information questions, confirmatory question tags are commonly produced in following intonation. እስኪ እንመልከት። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ what is your name? what is your name? who can answer this question? who's paying this? እነዚህ በፎሎዊንግ ኢንቶኔሽን የምናነባቸው ናቸው። ኩዌስችን ዘግዛታሪ ስቴትመንት ሪኩዌስቲንግ ፎር ኮንፊርሜሽን ራዘር ዛን ኩዌስችን። ብዙ ጊዜ ኮንፊርሜሽን ነው የሚፈልጉት። ኩዌስችን ታግ ሂዝ ክሌቨር ዳዝንት ሂ። ብዙ ጊዜ ክላሪፊኬሽን ስለሚፈልጉ ያን ያክል ሃይ ኢንቶኔሽን አጠቀም። ሃቭ ዩ ደን ዚ አሳይመንት የሚለውን ተመልከቱት። have you done the assignment? or have you done the assignment? yes እንድንባል እንፈልጋለን። question tag ደግሞ በባህሪያቸው ምንድነው? መረጃው ትክክል ነው ግን ማረጋገጫ ነው የሚፈልገው። ይሄኛው አሳይመንቱን ሰርታችሁታል አልሰራችሁትም መስራትና አለመስራታችሁን ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው someone else። question tag ላይ ስንመጣ ግን you are sure በተወሰነ መጠን እርግጠኛ ነን ግን more እንዲረጋገጥልን half through 50-50 እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። so he's clever doesn't he? አይደለም ልንል እንችላለን ማለት ነው። so you can use rhyming intonation and following intonation based on your purpose. okay, he doesn't seem to bother him much. he doesn't seem to bother him much. does it? does it የሚለውን ተመልከት። he doesn't seem to bother him much. does it? following intonation ይህ ምልክት ካያችሁ following ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄ እንደዚህ following፣ ይሄኛው ደግሞ በተቃራኒው ቅድም ያየ ነው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። you can practice anyways it is speaking at all. writing skill፣ ይሄኛው writing skillአችሁን ደግሞ በምን እናያለን ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር construct sentences based on the example given. discuss your sentences with your partner. write two sentences that explain why you choose to live in like a city. Still, we are talking about justification, yeah. Speaking ላይ አይተናል። So መጽሐፍ ላይ ደግሞ I choose to live in a city because there are good transportation, health center and in the nearby. I choose to live in urban areas because there is better employment opportunity and more, places to relax. ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። In addition to this እያላችሁ ብዙ ሀሳቦችን መጥቀስ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Good job. Write 3 to 5 sentences about your village or town. Then read them to your group of 3 or 4 members. ለግሩፕ ጓደኞቻችሁ ልታነቡላችሁ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ምን ላሳያችሁ መሰላችሁ? እስኪ እና developing paragraph. ፓራግራፍ ዴቨሎፕ ማድረግ ልንማር እንችላለን እዚህ ጋር። So to develop paragraph you can use different kind of connectors. የተለያዩ ኮኔክተሮችን ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ። Let's say living in rural areas gives me enormous satisfaction. There are many cows, pets such as cats. There is also besides in my village, moreover, generally እነዚህ በተጨማሪም በተቃራኒ እንዲህ እያልን ነገሮች መግለጽ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Let me show you the example here. So to write a kind of paragraph, you can use this kind of connectors. Let's say the sentence you write for activity in 1.29 but must be organized into a paragraph using appropriate cohesive devices using the following paragraph framework ነው የሚለው። paragraph develop ስታደርጉ you can use connectors connect የምናደርግባቸው ሲስተሞች ይኖራሉ ማለት ነው። So the first one is living in rural areas gives more enormous satisfaction. There are many cows and pets such as cats. እነዚህን ስንጠቀም what are the connectors connectors ምን አይነት ናቸው የሚሉትን ትንሽ እናያለን ማለት ነው። But that is your turn to practice writing in actual framework in your maybe exercise book, or maybe you can share the information with your friends, okay? Maybe to show you a sample paragraph. For example, you can say the forests and the streams around my village became source of my happiness. If you are living in rural areas, that you can say like that. Also many cows and pets. You can say also many cows and pets. ብዙ ምን ይኖራል ማለት ነው። streams and forests. Also additional information also additional information, okay? Also you can underline here additional information also የምንጠቀመው living better life. Besides there are lots of space besides አሁን የመጀመሪያን ኮኔክት ስታደርጉት ምንድነው ፎሬስትስ ይኖራል something ይኖራል። also cows and pests different information ከነሱ ቀጥሎ ደግሞ lots of spaces ለነዚህ ደግሞ ምንድነው space ይኖራል። moreover adds more information different from the first. አሁን the first ideas ምን ዘረዘርን there are forests, streams, and the next one is there is more space አለን አይደለ? moreover ካለን ደግሞ በጣም የጠነከረ to strengthen the first argument. So adds more, you can moreover ይችኛዋን እያት moreover indicators adds more information different from the first. So moreover in my village I have elderly father to help, okay? mother show what to do ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። አንዳንድ ጊዜ moreover different from let's say my friend is lucky, he's smart ብትሉ ለምሳሌ example my friend is lucky and smart. moreover he won the lottery. He won lottery. አያችሁት? እዚህ ጋር ጓደኛ እድለኛ ነው something እያላችሁ different information ደግሞ he won lottery Okay, he won lottery. This is a different information. Yes, ለኪ ነው አለን አይደለ? ስማርት ነው something ካላችሁ በኋላ moreover he won the lottery. generally የሚለው conclusion ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። conclusion ስትጠቀሙ generally የሚለውን ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So this is the use of connectors። ስለዚህ ፓራግራፍ ዴቨሎፕ ስታደርጉ እነዚህ ነገሮች ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው students. Today we discuss WH questions, especially WH words na WH questions and yes no questions, intonation and falling intonation and raising intonation naso aytanal ማለት ነው. And the last one, this point, this is developing paragraph. When you develop paragraph, you can write in sentence form. በሴንቴንስ ፎርም መጻፋችሁ መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ ፈርስት ማለት ነው። ይህን ይመስላል የዛሬው ቶፒክ ያቀረብኩላችሁ። ተስፋ የነበርኩኝ this is all about for today. Bye till next time. Cheerio.